Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Humana Member Portal password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Humana Member Portal website. On the home page, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed to the Sign In page. Under the Login fields, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to the Password Recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Humana account. After you've entered your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Humana. If you don't see the email, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and find the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be taken to a secure page to set a new password. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria outlined. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once you've confirmed your new password, click on the Reset Password button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Humana Member Portal login page. Enter your email and your new password to log in. You will now have access to your Humana Member Portal. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Humana customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.